A showdown in court for the Trump administration over those deportation flights of alleged gang members to El Salvador. Let's get to this now. The judge who reportedly blocked those removals wants to know if the White House willingly ignored his orders, something the ACLU is accusing the president of doing in a new lawsuit. NewsNation's Tom Dempsey has more from Washington. So, Tom, what's the judge asking the administration for today?
Hey, good morning from Washington, D.C., Markie. Look, by noon Eastern time today, the federal judge overseeing this case has called on the federal government to hand over all information about those flights that deported over 200 alleged Venezuelan gang members. This comes as the ACLU accuses the federal government of possibly knowingly violating the court order with those deportations. But this case brought a very contentious court hearing on Monday, with the federal judge pushing back against the Justice Department for not turning around those planes carrying the alleged gang members, despite ordering them to do so during a virtual hearing on Saturday. The Justice Department refused to share much information, citing national security reasons, and said no planes took off after the written order was filed. The judge, though, said his verbal order should have been enough to ground those planes. But the ACLU has raised some concerns about how some of these gang members, how some of the people deported may not have been gang members, and they're accusing President Trump of overstepping his authority and violating that court order.
It seems like the administration is simply walking into court and telling a federal court they can't look at the evidence, they can't stop what they're doing, and we see constant public statements from administration officials criticizing federal judges, saying they don't have authority. I think we're on dangerous ground here in the United States.
Now, when asked directly by NewsNation, the White House team said President Trump used his legal executive powers all in an effort to keep Americans safe.
What do you say to Americans who want safe streets but are concerned due process is being violated?
The president is using every lever of his executive authority and his constitutional authority within the bounds of the immigration laws of our country to ensure that our streets are safer for law-abiding American citizens. Countless lives will be saved because of this action.
This morning, those alleged members of the Tren de Aragua Venezuelan gang remain behind bars in El Salvador, but we will note that the president of Venezuela's National Assembly has accused the Trump administration of violating the due process for those alleged gang members, and that president is saying he wants to return those gang members back to Venezuela.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.